So with that, here in California, this is actually one of the example na pipirmahan po ninyo once you hire your buyer's agent if you're trying to buy a house. So it's actually called buyer representation and broker compensation agreement. Okay? So it's about, let me see, about maybe this is about 6 pages.
Okay.
Okay? Na kailangan po ninyong pirmahan. Okay? So just beware na pag pinirmahan po ninyo, ang ibig po sabihin nito is para bang may kaso ka and you're gonna hire an attorney. Ang tinatawag parang retention fee. So bago mo ko i-hire as your buyer's agent, kailangan mayroon tayong written agreement na you're hiring me. And you hiring me, you have to sign this buyer compensation agreement. Okay. So now, it says on the contract na you, the buyer, is responsible of paying the commission. Okay? So, ngayon, let's say yung buyer walang pera.
Tama.
Okay? O sige, babayaran kita ng compensation. Pero in order for me to pay you, kailangan ilagay mo sa offer na yung seller ang magbabayad sa'yo.
Yes.
So that's the way around it.